Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Typito video design series. It is without a doubt that GIFs are taking over social media content. If you are a business looking to level up your ad game on Twitter, then GIFs have the potential to do so. In today's episode, we will quickly run through how to create GIFs for Twitter ads. Let's jump in. We'll go through creating the video on Typito, adding the right visuals, and then move on to adding text and logo. Finally, we'll convert our video into a GIF using Giphy. GIFs have the power to increase engagement, reinforce your brand identity, and bring your tweets to life. So, let's start with creating the video on Typito. Don't have an account? Click the link in the description and start for free. Once we have logged in, click the New Project button. Scroll down to find Twitter and choose the 1:1 aspect ratio. Click Create and upload the video to be featured in the ad. As a visual brand, finding the right visuals is critical to grab the attention of the viewer. Make sure the visuals on the screen are bright and related to the topic of the ad. Click Continue when the video is done uploading. We will start by adding the text to the video. This particular Twitter ad is intended to promote an end-of-season sale. To add the text, choose the Text menu and add a heading. We type in the words Mid-Year Sale and position it accordingly, and quickly change the font. Simple lines of text are sometimes all it takes to spell out your message. We can also add other relevant information, like 50% off. A great, simple GIF is a thing of beauty. That's adding the right visuals and text. Fun fact, an internal study of 3.7 million users by Twitter showed that tweets with a GIF gained 55% more engagement than those without a GIF. We are moving on to adding the logo. Go to the Image menu and upload a PNG version of your brand logo. Standing out from the crowd is becoming more competitive than ever, so adding a logo to our GIF can be a solution. A simple click will add the logo to the video. We then resize and position it accordingly. After a quick preview of the video, our Twitter ad is done and ready to be exported. The next step is to head to the Apple Store or Play Store and download Giphy. Here we had already downloaded the application for the sake of time. Open the downloaded Typito video. Position the Giphy window right on top of the downloaded video, making sure we pay attention to the edges. Once we have aligned both the Giphy screen and the video, play the video and hit the record button. The time we see right here is how long the GIF is. 10 seconds is the ideal length. Click on the video to preview the GIF. This is where we can adjust the size and type of GIF we want. In this case, we don't make any changes and go ahead and save the GIF onto the desktop. We can also save the GIF we created to Giphy by clicking the Upload to Giphy button for easier access in the future. And that wraps up the video. With GIFs, we can enjoy high levels of engagement that extends far beyond your existing followers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Haven't subscribed to Typito yet? Click right here. Check out the last video we created right here. Bye!